Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be dropping this gearbox. I'm going to be dropping this gearbox to the ground because we want to change the clutch plate. The clutch plate on this one has totally been burnt, like totally has been roasted, like into so my job here is to replace the clutch plate. So by doing that, I will have to need to drop this gearbox. So that's what we're going to do now. But first, we're going to disconnect the propeller or the drive shafts. So after the propeller, then we can head on to the gearbox. So let's go. Alright, all men down. They are all down. This is the part I hate most about dropping gearbox. It's having to lose this thing right here. Like, I hate it so much. But we don't have any other choice. Let's get cracking. So I've lost these two bolts holding it at the front. We can move the propeller now a little bit so we can just push it to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and lose one at the back. Mom, younger brother. So if you see, be like my uncle.
Put down. What do you think they do for Lagos that time? Now the mechanic work.
I don't know. I see come out so nobody. I don't know him.
Oh, we will not be good boy now. You know they call your parcel.
in fit.
When they call your parcel, that time we get J matter. Never party waka.
Aya.
Mago.
Yes.
You downstairs. Yeah.
You drop them all down.
I roll them. Why did you release them?
Yes.
I'll see your leg, bro.
Don't finish. Wow.
6 of 7.
I'm not complete. Ooh la la. Wiki.
No, I don't think so.
Wiki. This is a draw.
Which plate?
Sorry, now chicken for that.
Oh, yeah. Waiting. Don't go wound yourself, bro.
Yeah, this place there. No space. So you gotta hook this thing first, bring all this one come out.
But the important thing is don't enjoy yourself.
Alright.
I want them to look as space for some.
That's how it is sometimes, bro. Alright guys, a quick recap of what happened. So I disconnected this clutch actuation mechanism here, and after that I removed the whole like 4 bolts of the gearbox and I dropped the gearbox. You know, in Nigeria here we don't have many fancy equipment to drop all these heavy like car parts, truck parts, but here we do it manually. We do things here manually with manpower. So the gearbox is down, you can see. So, and we've also like dropped the clutch disc and plate. So they've gone to the main town to bring everything. So we're just waiting for the whole parts to arrive and we'll start coupling again. So but till then, just have to like keep moping around because here there's nobody here. Now this place is just a locked off company property. So as you can see, there's not much happening in front of me and there's nothing much happening behind me. And this whole place is an oil company called Pillar Oil Company. So this whole land belongs to them. So everywhere here is just like heavy duty like line. There are trucks, like heavy duty truck, like super heavy duty trucks passing here like every minute. So till then, just have to wait and watch. So tell me how you do, like how you guys do things back in your country, like how you guys like go about dropping something like this, because like I don't know how much this thing weighs, but I'm sure it's going to be well over, let's say close to 200 kilograms. Yeah, 200 kilograms. It's like it's very heavy. And there's a longer version of this that's like this long, like let's say this long. And this one has 5 gears and that one has 6 gears, including the 6 gears excluding the reverse gear. So including the reverse gear, that's 7 gears. So that one is pretty long and really heavy. Like the previous, like recently I tried dropping it, like the last time I dropped it by myself, like I dropped it by myself alone without anybody's help, like I broke my wrist, but it's now fine and I can do that again, like I can do it again pretty much. So we've gone like used to all this thing, so we can drop it by ourselves now. And if I have like enough like equipment, let's say plank, I have a very long plank here, I can mount this gearbox on my own. That's not a flex, just facts. I can do it on my own. And there are like boys, like guys, like my co-workers that can actually mount this. So tell me how you guys do it in your country, because I would love to know. I would love to know if it's actually done this way in other countries as well. So, or maybe in your side, maybe you're still in Nigeria here. So let me know how you guys do it. So till then, let's just maybe play a little bit of games. This is new. Go.
Alpha.
Now lamb.
We hold on now. What does he talk will make us support you?
See that thing enter inside the plate.
You hold on.
Enter
you enter and make it steady now.
Oh yeah.
Mogo.
Yes.
It's not our world, the food spring, yeah? See the suffer, no suffer. How the food spring, the first way they done, we don't use leg. Raise and up, but we don't enter. No room.
Huh?
Have to know. You see as you don't keep me, don't forget. I think I tell you that time, say you don't forget. Now you don't say you just don't forget me. Pay me as the invest for me. No.
My job here is done. My job here is absolutely done. So truck is now ready for work. So they're now preparing. So it's bringing some bread. So it's always like fun.